Hey, go down into the description box and click on last year's link. That was my 500th vlog. This one probably just bore you. So, as you can see, it's raining like crazy out there. That's why I say this vlog's going to be boring, because I'm going to be out there and I can't vlog in the rain or my phone will get destroyed. Yeah, crazy. You know, they actually offered me a garbage bag to wear as a rain poncho. Yeah, right. Like, I'm gonna go into places and apply for a job wearing a garbage bag. No, I don't think so. So I dropped off 8 resumes today with the grand total of 38 for the whole week. Yeah, Friday to Thursday. So tomorrow's a new week for dropping off resumes, but if I get that job tomorrow, I don't have to do it anymore.